BoostCube 2nd generation 24W dual USB wall charger with SmartID Technology, foldable plug, travel power adapter for iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, X8 Plus, 8 7ths Plus, 7 6s, 6 Plus, iPad Pro Air Mini and other tablet. SmartID Technology recognize your device and maximize the charging efficiency, thus provide you a fast charge speed and save you time. Powerful capacity with double charging. Our dual USB ports have total 24W 4.8A power and allows you to charge two devices simultaneously at optimal speed. Widely compatible, it is suitable with electronic devices and models from iPhones, Samsungs, HTC Nexus, Blackberries, Bluetooth speaker headsets to iPads and power banks. Portable and safe design, it's small and lightweight, compact and easily portable, perfect for traveling. It contains internal protection mechanisms and a hidden blue LED power indicator to let you know when your phone is charging. Lifetime support guarantee. Our friendly and reliable customer service will respond to you within 24 hours. You can purchase with confidence with our 18-month replacement warranty or 30 days money-back guarantee and of course our lifetime support guarantee. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.